If you're someone who's looking to step up your manicure game but don't want to spend hours in the salon to get the look, skip the salon and do it yourself with a fake nail kit. Fake nails are the quickest and easiest way to get a pristine manicure, whether you want short or long nails. When used correctly, press-on nails or fake nails can look seamless and allow for endless experimentation. A pro tip from Team ILMP: make sure the press-ons fit by trying them on before committing to them. Sizing press-ons correctly determines how natural they'll look. The edges of a press-on nail should align against the edges of your natural nails. Take a nail file and file down your set to your preferred length. Buff the surface of your natural nails to roughen them. This makes the fake nails adhere better. Dehydrating your natural nails will ensure the press-on nails have a pristine surface to bond to, which means they'll stick longer than if your nails were dirty during the application. Put a dot of glue on the fake nail and one on the real nail. Try to avoid overgluing. A small drop is all you need because it will expand once it hits a flat surface. Ensure no air bubbles are present before you move on to the next nail. This step is very essential because if the fake nail is not secure to the nail bed, moisture may get underneath and cause lifting. Applying polish on the press-on nails is just the same as you would apply on your natural nails. Apply 2 coats of the polish and then use a top coat. And that's it. We hope you enjoyed today's press-on nails application video and our pro tips as well. For more such educational videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you next week.